दास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजन मम हृदय कंज निवास।
Why did you do this to me?
Make sure no one knows about this. Because if you tell anyone about this, that will be the end of your life.
Your schoolwork is declining, your marks are not as good as what they used to be. What's going on?
My name is Cedric. I'm a Red Cross social worker.
She is being sexually abused by her stepfather and he's now threatening to kill her.
What? These men must have turned into beasts. This is Detective Jones.
So what I want now is the details of this guy.
Okay, I love you.
I love you more.
You're really doing a good job.
It is our duty, detective, to be able to assist whenever a human being is in need. One of our missions is to alleviate human suffering. So abuse and on child abuse and even substance abuse, we are busy tackling those issues.
Are you Mr. Lucas?
Yes, I'm Mr. Lucas. How are you?
Detective Brown.
Nice to meet you.
Detective Jones.